Hello viewers. Today I have brought another video. Before starting this video, press the like button. So to record a call on Google Voice, you will need to enable this function in the settings menu. Once the function is enabled, you can record calls by pressing 4 on your handset. Enabling the call recording option. So just go to Google Voice. Click the settings icon. This icon will be on the top right of the screen and resembles a gear. Just click on Settings. Now click on Calls. Select the checkbox next to Call Options. Recording a call. Receive the call on your Google Voice number. Press 4 on your phone handset. You can press 4 at the time of taking or during the call. Listen to the automated call recording on message. This will play for all parties on the phone. Continue talking as your call is recorded. Press 4 again at any time to end the recording. A copy of the recording will be saved in your Google Voice inbox. Hanging up will also end the recording. So this is all for today. Hope you like this video. And if you didn't yet subscribe Star World TV, so subscribe it first, otherwise you will not get the helpful stuff. So take care and be happy.